How to become more likable. Number 1. It started with a lesson on the importance of listening to the people around you and hearing what they are saying to you. Number 2. Asking questions during interactions is also another way to become more likable. But there is only if the person you are speaking to enjoys giving you an answer. Number 3. Compliments rarely go wrong, especially if you know where to target them. Number 4. Showing your weaknesses also has a way of getting people to be comfortable and to develop a sort of camaraderie with you. Number 5. Being honest, even when it is not in your favor, gets you a few more likes as well. Number 6. If you want to deliver a critique, start with a joke. Number 7. When you go with the flow and be flexible in your interaction, you become more likable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.